ScriptRunner for Jira Cloud's automation capabilities can be broken down into three types: scripts that run immediately, scripts that run on a schedule, and scripts that run when an event occurs. When using ScriptRunner for Jira Cloud, you should first identify which of these types of scripts you'd like to use for your specific need. For example, Violet needs to complete a one-off task to test a customized automation. She has a large number of open issues that need to be identified and marked as closed. Before she sets this up as a scheduled job or an escalation, Violet tests it using ScriptRunner for Jira Cloud's script console. All Violet needs to do to complete a one-off automation task is run her test code into the script console. If Violet wants to automate a task that runs the script periodically or at a scheduled time, she does so by using scheduled jobs or escalation services in ScriptRunner, depending on her need. For example, Violet wants ScriptRunner to create a task for a weekly blog post on team updates that will automatically run every Monday. She uses scheduled jobs to specify the date and time she wishes the script to run. Then she modifies the code to give the task appropriate summaries and descriptions. In addition, Violet uses ScriptRunner for Jira Cloud's Escalation service feature to automatically change the priority of issues. Using this function, Violet creates a script that will automatically update the priority on all issues she designates. For example, if she wants to escalate issues that haven't been moved to in progress after a week, then she can use an escalation to automatically change their priority to highest. Violet determines how often the script will run and enters a JQL query to identify the issues requiring an update. Finally, Violet wants to automatically estimate an epic story point value as the sum of its child issues. She ensures this data remains up to date by conditionally running her script whenever an issue is created or updated. This is an event-based automation, because it only runs when something else happens. To do this in ScriptRunner, Violet uses a script listener to collect the total story points of all issues under the epic, add them together, and enter the sum in the new field as the issues are updated. This provides real-time information as the story point values change regularly, removing the risk of delayed or outdated information. With these basic functions, Violet can automate a number of tasks to help make her work in Jira easier and more efficient.